Some places don't just amaze you, they transform you. Rwanda is one of those rare destinations where nature feels alive, where every horizon tells a story, and where beauty is not just seen, it's experienced. Today, we're counting down the top 5 most stunning places to visit in Rwanda, and trust me, you'll want to stay until number 1. At number 5. The Twin Lakes, Burera and Ruhondo. We begin our countdown with the serene and poetic Twin Lakes of Burera and Ruhondo. Nestled between volcanic peaks and terraced highlands, these lakes feel like a hidden paradise suspended between earth and sky. The deep blue water mirrors the mountains, creating reflections so perfect they look painted. Visitors can take peaceful boat rides, wander along the ridges, or simply sit and watch clouds drift across the peaks. What makes the Twin Lakes unforgettable is their untouched beauty, quiet, calm, and breathtaking from every angle. It's the kind of place where time slows down, and nature speaks in silence. At number 4, we enter the wild heart of Rwanda, Akagera National Park. This is Rwanda's classic safari destination, where golden grasslands stretch endlessly and acacia trees, the horizon. The park is home to the Big Five, and every game drive feels like stepping into a living documentary. Elephants wander gracefully across the plains, lions rest in the shade, giraffes move like silhouettes against the sky, and hippos fill the lakes with life. Akagera's landscapes shift from savanna to wetlands to rolling hills, offering a dynamic and unforgettable safari experience. It's a reminder that Rwanda is not just mountains, it's a land of incredible ecological diversity. Number 3 brings us into the ancient, mystical world of Nyungwe Forest, one of Africa's oldest rainforests. Here, towering trees stretch toward the sky, their branches wrapped in moss and mist. Sunlight filters through the canopy in soft beams, illuminating trails that feel untouched for centuries. Nyungwe is famous for its canopy walkway, a suspended bridge that lets you walk above the treetops. From up there, the forest stretches endlessly, a sea of green alive with birdsong. Visitors can also trek to see chimpanzees and other primates, making it one of the continent's most biodiverse ecosystems. Nyungwe isn't just a forest, it's a living, breathing world. At number 2, we arrive at the peaceful shores of Lake Kivu, one of Africa's Great Lakes and Rwanda's most relaxing escape. The water stretches like a shimmering mirror beneath the sun, surrounded by rolling hills and quiet fishing villages. Visitors come here to unwind, kayaking at sunrise, swimming in warm, calm waters, or enjoying lakeside cafes in towns like Kibai and Gisenyi. As the sun sets, the sky turns into a masterpiece of gold and orange, reflecting beautifully across the lake. Lake Kivu is more than a destination, it's a feeling. A deep breath. A moment of stillness in a fast-moving world. And finally, number 1. The crown jewel of Rwanda. Volcanoes National Park. This is where towering volcanic peaks rise above dense emerald forests, where mist drifts through bamboo groves, and where some of the world's last mountain gorillas live peacefully in the wild. Trekking here is emotional, humbling, and unforgettable. The moment you see a gorilla family, resting, playing, living, just meters away, something inside you changes. It's a connection to nature that feels pure and profound. But beyond the wildlife, the scenery itself is breathtaking: volcanic slopes wrapped in mist, forests glowing in soft morning light, and landscapes that feel alive with energy. Volcanoes National Park isn't just Rwanda's top destination, it's one of the most extraordinary places on Earth. Rwanda is a land of contrasts: peaceful lakes, ancient forests, golden savannas, and mist-covered mountains. Each place tells a story, each moment leaves a mark. If these landscapes moved you even a little, imagine what it will feel like to stand there in person. Subscribe for more cinematic travel guides, and join me as we explore the most beautiful places on Earth. Your next adventure is just one click away.